What's up, my people? It's Filmmaking Friday, and you're welcome. Actually, this is the first of its kind, and it is called Filmmaking Friday because every Friday from this Friday, we are going to be giving you the latest and the greatest on filmmaking and content creation equipment. Imagine that. And this is not the show you want to miss. So, if you are a content creator and you want to upgrade or update your tools, make sure you stay tuned every Friday. Log on to this channel. This is the show to look out for. You don't want to miss it, trust me. We are going to be bringing you latest on cameras, filmmaking tools, content creation tools, things to make your content creation easy. I mean, you're not sure you want to miss this.
Like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Filmmaking Friday, where we break down all the latest and greatest in filmmaking and content creation world. So here's the deal. We've got some really cool updates today, from Apple stepping up their game with Final Cut camera, to Fujifilm finally making a cinema camera, to AI tools that might actually be helpful. Plus, RØDE just dropped a tiny but mighty microphone update. And Nikon has got something super beginner friendly for content creators. So whether you are an indie filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone who likes hearing about shiny new toys, you are in for a treat. Let's dive in.
Like and subscribe.
Alright, let's start with Apple. Final Cut camera just got its 1.1 update, and the big news here is, drum roll, Log-Encoded HEVC video recording. Now, if that sounded like I just started speaking a different language, hang tight, let me explain. Basically, this update means you can now shoot in log format, which gives you a lot more control over color grading in post-production. For filmmakers, it's kind of like switching from crayons to a full artist palette. You can go from, oh, this looks nice, to, wow, did I shoot this? It's like Apple finally decided to hand over the keys to the grown-up camera features and let us drive. They are saying, hey, you want to make this look like $1 million? Go right ahead. In simple terms, if you're shooting with an iPhone, you are now getting closer to pro grade quality. And honestly, if you can carry pro level filmmaking in your back pocket, why wouldn't you? But don't just go crazy with log without knowing what it is. Log footage looks a bit flat until you color grade it. Just remember, with great power comes with the responsibility to learn color grading. Next up, AI's multicam editing feature. They are calling this the ChatGPT for video editing, which sounds like something out of the future. AI's new multicam editing feature is here, and it's supposed to handle those rough cuts between multiple camera angles automatically. This little AI assistant is promising to do what we've all dreamt of: actually make rough cut editing less rough. Now, if you have ever edited a multicam shoot, you know it's like rearing cats. You've got shots from all over, and finding the right angle at the right time takes hours. Well, AI is promising to change that. With AI, you load your footage and it starts chopping and syncing based on cues, timing, and base angles, all in minutes. It's like having an intern who actually knows exactly what they are doing. Imagine telling your friends, yeah, I finished that multicam rough cut in 5 minutes, and watching their jaws drop. That's the kind of flex AI is giving you. And next up is Fujifilm's first cinema camera. Alright, so here's the piece of news I didn't see coming. Fujifilm. Yes, The same company known for its stellar film and mirrorless cameras is developing its first ever cinema camera. If you have ever used Fujifilm camera, you know that Fujifilm colors are top notch. They just have this vintage film-like quality that is hard to match. And now they are bringing that magic to the cinema world. Oh, it's on. It's kind of like finding out your favorite indie band is headlining Coachella. Fujifilm is now like, hey, we are no longer just the cool guys with film stock and mirrorless. We are here to make serious movies. This camera could be a game changer for indie filmmakers looking for something unique. If Fujifilm can bring that color science and ease of use to cinema, we are all about to start seeing some gorgeous footage out there. All I'm saying is, don't be surprised if everyone's next film festival submission was shot on a Fujifilm cinema camera. It's coming, folks. Up next is RØDE's compact wireless microphone. Now, RØDE just dropped a more compact version of their popular wireless microphone system. I know how exciting can the microphone really be, but hear me out. This update actually makes a big difference. When you're running and gunning or working on a tight set with no space, having a compact wireless microphone that still sounds good is like finding out your favorite pizza spot delivers for free. Absolute game changer. RØDE is taking what they are already great at, clear, reliable audio, and even making it easier for us to use without weighing us down. It's like having your cake, eating it too, and not even worrying about the calories. And let's be real, fewer cables and lighter gear mean fewer headache, because who haven't tripped over their own mic cable and thought there's got to be a better way? Next up is the Nikon Z50 II, perfect for beginners. Nikon is been in the mirrorless game for a minute, but this latest release is super content creator friendly. It's small, it's powerful, and it's not going to scare you off with a million buttons you don't know how to use. This camera is perfect if you are just starting out with content creation and want quality video without a complicated setup. It's like your first car, not a clunky old hand-me-down, but a shiny new ride that's actually fun to drive. And it is affordable, which is huge. You don't have to break the bank to look professional anymore. And Nikon is really making it easier to step into the world of content creation with this one. Plus, it's got everything you need for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You name it. So, if you are still shooting with an old phone from like 2017, it's time to level up. So, there you have it. Apple is finally giving us a log video. Fujifilm's dipping its toes in cinema cameras. RØDE make wireless mic even slicker. ADAI is taking a pen out of multicam edits, and Nikon is giving beginners a solid entry with the Z50 II. And it's a great time to be a filmmaker or someone who just really like filmmaking toys. Which of these updates are you excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you'll be checking out any of this gear, and hit that like button if this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more filmmaking news and gear updates. And I will see you in the next one. But until then, keep shooting, keep creating, and keep having fun with it.